Lauren, it has been a hot minute since we have busted out Lola. But, guys, first off, few updates. Last time we videoed, I know we mentioned Cosmo was going to be in a video in the few sea days after last cruise. However, the videos, there was nothing exciting Cosmo because we're supposed to swim with turtles and that just didn't happen, and it wasn't anything exciting. But Lauren, where are we?
We are in Zurich.
Yeah, this next set of videos, we are actually road tripping across Switzerland. So we have a car parked right now. We'll pick this up on our next adventure. But welcome to the vlog.
Let's go.
So what's the first mission of the day?
Food.
Because that's where we always start our days.
Well, we haven't eaten since dinner, which honestly I don't know how many hours ago that was. It could have been a decent amount of hours ago.
Yeah, but we asked our hotel to recommend a place. They recommended this place. They told us to walk this way until we find a cow on the roof. We found the cow. Oh, right here. Look here, Lauren. So update. We got cheese fondue.
Yep.
We got meat fondue. We got like a chicken frying in there. Oh, we should get that out. Probably.
I don't know. Yeah. Oh, so that's help because it's gonna.
Yeah, so meat fondue, guys. There's literally a pot of oil, and you cook your meat. Oh yeah, we should swap. Lauren got the cheese fondue because, fun fact, although we are going to a place that caters to cheese, I'm not a huge fan of cheese, but I'm gonna try some. Are you excited for your fondue?
Yes. Okay.
Are you trying to squeeze it all on?
Oh
yeah.
I want to make sure it's like all on the table there.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. So, ready for your first fondue?
Here is the French fries.
Oh, totally forgot we get French fries too. Thank you. Lauren, this is so much food.
Yes, it is.
First meal in Switzerland.
Yep.
You excited?
Oh yeah.
Okay, Lauren. So there's bells going off in the background right now. I don't know if people can hear it, but summarize Switzerland in 2 words.
I wonder if that's what we've been smelling. It's just cheese.
Maybe. Okay, so we're in Old Town, Zurich, and this is just like, the atmosphere is amazing here. The bell just keeps going off, which is it? What time is it? No, it's like 12:15.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's 12:15.
It just goes off like all the time.
It's 12:15. It's not 12. But this is fun. Good morning, Lauren.
Good morning.
So, guys, we're combining yesterday and today's vlog into like one video because yesterday I don't want to say we didn't do a whole lot. It was a lot of exploring and recovering from the jet lag. But we were eating breakfast at the hotel. By the way, there's a chocolate fountain right there. But what are we doing today?
What do you have yet to try? What is with that?
But we're going to be trying a lot of chocolate today. What are we doing today?
We're going to the Lindt Museum.
Yeah, we're going to a museum of chocolate today. I think it's officially called Lindt's Home of Chocolate, but it's basically a chocolate museum. Welcome to officially day 2 in Switzerland. And welcome to our road trip. We're going to show you the car that we're driving because I know we mentioned yesterday we were road tripping. We're going to drive over to the place today, so you're going to get to see our car that we're driving. You excited? Yeah, no, like there's like, guys, we are wandering around Old Town again, and there are literally flowers in this fountain. Those are real flowers too. Old Town is beautiful. You're beautiful. I love you. So Lauren, what do we find?
Farmer's market?
Yeah, we think it's a farmer's market. It might just be a garden thing. It might have something to do with this rose festival thing. So we found out there's like a rose festival. We can't read the sign.
I don't know. There's nothing. I don't know.
I don't know either. But we found this place. It looks kind of cool. We'll let you guys know later. But yeah, I think this is a farmer's market, guys, just with a lot of flowers. So cool that we stumbled on this.
Yeah.
Do you want to explore? We have a little bit of time. Do you want to go that way?
Okay.
Because we've seen that way. Yeah? You guys can fully see it, but this is Lake Zurich. And way over there, there are snow. Oh, Lauren's gonna point, or are you just making fun of me?
No.
But way over there, guys, are some snow-capped mountains for the Swiss Alps, which we're gonna be at.
Yep.
I don't know if we're gonna be in the snow-capped areas, but most likely we will. Excited?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh. Guys, it is so beautiful here. So yeah, quite literally all we're doing right now is wandering around, getting lost and finding cool things. Because we have like an hour to kill before we drive over to the Chocolate Museum. Alright guys, so we are driving now over to Chocolate Factory. Yeah, but that's our little ride, guys. It's a cute little car. Lauren, where are we?
We are in the best smelling parking lot on the road.
Yeah, we're in the parking garage for Lynn, and you can just smell the chocolate. Oh my god, honey. It just keeps getting stronger. I wish you guys could smell this. Like, it is literally like just like... Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, that's a literal chocolate fountain. Oh my god. You look like you're in heaven. We're good. Oh my god. Okay, we gotta take some photos. Are you ready?
Welcome to the chocolate tour at the Lindt Home of Chocolate. Welcome to our world.
Lord, we're in like chocolate heaven. Okay, Lauren, before we go in the room, hold on. What did we learn in this room? Lauren's
Cows.
distracted because right there's the
I'm
tasting
sorry,
room.
sorry,
You ready? What we've
yeah.
learned is like chocolate became big in Switzerland because they brought new technology, like what you're saying there, that hadn't been seen in any other places.
They've mentioned Tobler. Is that Tobler?
Probably.
Some of those too.
Yeah.
If we can get
But
one.
by the way, Lauren is very distracted because she sees the tasting room straight ahead.
Oh man, there's all this. Oh shoot, we're supposed to learn stuff before we get to that. Okay.
Oh, this
What
is
this
this is
stuff?
tempting. I love how bummed you got that we have to learn more stuff before we get to it. Okay. That's why.
Oh my god. It's a good day, honey.
And you're only in your first one. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna get some. Tell us what we just learned about the difference between dark chocolate, white chocolate, and milk chocolate.
Oh my gosh, white chocolate. Where even is like?
The chocolate?
Yeah.
No, literally though. So basically these tubes represent the different chocolates. So white chocolate is basically mostly sugar, milk powder, and cocoa butter. Milk chocolate has a little bit of cocoa, and dark chocolate just has a lot of cocoa.
Yeah, but like,
Where's the chocolate in
part of-
white
Is
chocolate?
it just cocoa butter? That's why it's like they somehow make.
I'm really confused. I don't know, let's eat more chocolate.
Oh no!
Oh, be careful. Worth
That's
it.
good. It's really good.
I love how like we probably won't even leave this room.
We don't need to.
We have everything we need here. Lauren, put your hand underneath. Put your hand underneath. See if it. Oh! That was a joke. That was a joke. I didn't know that was actually going to happen. Do it.
Oh, we're tasting it and then figuring out if we know
What flavor is it?
strawberry in it.
Okay, Lauren, so what do you think of these mystery things? So we're reaching another area now where all of these, it's a mystery as to what's underneath them. And then right underneath here, it'll tell you what flavor you got, but you're supposed to guess the flavor. I got 0 of them right. But what do you think?
Instead of
I think the one that surprised me was the one over there,
Orange?
the orange one. It was interesting. You ready for more chocolate? I think
I'm
there's
gonna
more.
go get some milk chocolate
To cleanse the
clean it
palate.
up, yeah.
We're going back again.
Do you want to go down the line?
Do you want to go down the line? I'm good with starting on one end and finishing on the other. You ready for this? This is the one we love. We know we love this one. So guys, if you look in there, they're literally making the chocolate right now.
So this is them making the mold for the shell.
Yeah, it looks like it's the mold for the shell. But they're making it. Okay, Lauren, what flavor are you getting? Oh yeah. What flavor did you get?
Milk caramel.
Yeah, so that whole experience, guys, was like $15. I think it was like 15. We were in there for like an hour, and I had so much chocolate. What'd you think of it? These stairs are very.
I really liked like when we walked in. They're like, "Hey guys, here's all the trees." And I was like, "This is very."
Yeah, I love how it started out as like a history of the cocoa bean.
Kind of like once it started off very cool looking. Like,
Yeah.
And then it kind of slowly stopped looking cool looking. However, then they had free chocolate, so it was kind of give and take, you know.
But I like, but it also like, so this part right here that you guys can't really see. So after you come out of the chocolate tasting room, it actually shows you like the actual machines they're using to make the chocolate. But much like any other place, we have now finished the tour. Right at the gift shop. You ready for this?
Oh, nice find.
Oh yeah, honey. When did we get one of these at our place? Can. Okay, Lauren. So we are a little bit further from the city.
Yeah.
But what are we doing now?
Going on a nature trail.
Yeah, so there's a mountain of Zurich, and it's down this trail and somewhere that way. It's really pretty. But yeah, so right outside of Zurich, there's apparently a like mountain top that we can go to. That's where we're trying to get to. So to get there, we had to park there, and then we are heading to a train that will then take us to the top area. We're then going to walk a little bit more, and then hopefully have an epic view. Hopefully. Yeah, oh yeah, that's the fountain that we saw that we did our walk in.
The church thing.
So our hotel is like right over there. Wowzers, honey. It's crazy how you can look on this side and it's like huge city, and then you look over there and it's like countryside. It goes like deep down. Look at that. It goes like way down there. I don't know. Okay, Lauren. So we've officially gone to the top of Zurich. I don't know if that's what it's officially called, but it said top of Zurich. What do you think had the better view, the top of Zurich or the top of the Eiffel Tower? I know it's in different countries.
Yeah, they're completely different places. Why would...
Also, what is this animal, guys? It looks really cool, and it's a really cool light, but like, I have like a lot of guesses of what it could be.
And when it's time to find home, we know the way.